Hi, I'm Pam Damour, the Decorating Diva, and I've got some great stuff to show you. I'm going to show you how to make an adjustable strap for your handbag project. This is a technique from my new book, Hold Everything, which I hope you have, and that's why you're looking at this clip. If you don't have it, you need to run, not walk, to your computer and order it from our website, pamdamour.com, PAMDAMOUR.com. Anyway, so here is my bag, getting ready to accept the strap. I've got the strap tabs already sewn on, and here's my strap, and I've stitched it down. So what I've got here is I've got the two D-rings that my swivel clip is going to clip onto, and I've got my slider. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my slider on, and what I did is I put a stabilizer in the strap called Deco Magic, but I stopped it like an inch before, so that this last part is kind of soft. It's not stiff. Okay. Clip those stray threads there. All right, now, so what we're going to do is we're going to take the wrong side of the strap, which is the back side. We're going to bring that through. We're going to flip this through right here like this and pull it through just a little bit. Bring that back down through here. And that soft end, the end without the stabilizer, is the part we're going to fold under. We're going to fold that under. And we're just going to bring that out so it's just past the edge of the strap so we can get it under the machine. Then we're going to go to the sewing machine, put our presser foot down. I don't start right at the very edge. I start in just a little bit. Let me show you here. I'm going to start in just about right here. I'm going to back up. So I'm going to put my needle. You can put your needle down first if you want to. Foot down. And I'm going to back it up. And then go forward, and then back it up all the way, because we really want to enforce that stitching, and cut our thread. So there we have our strap that's stitched down. We'll clip those threads in a minute. Now we're going to take our swivel clip and we're going to bring it through. Okay. And then we are going to come back through the slider in one side and then out through the other. And this loop is going to be what adjusts. So I can slide this down just a little bit here until I get the length of my strap that I want. And again, it is adjustable, so I can make it bigger or smaller depending on if I want a crossbody strap or a crossbody bag, or I just want a little short shoulder strap. I can adjust it. Then we're going to take the other swivel clip, and these are a swivel, so you don't need to be worried about it going in the right direction. And so you're going to slide that on. You're going to again fold that end under that doesn't have the stabilizer. We're going to fold that over and we're going to sew. And like before, I'm going to start in about 1/4 of an inch. Back it up. Go forward, back it up, and go forward again. So it's stitched all together about 3 times. And there we are. We're going to cut our threads. We can clip this on our bag. Again, you don't need to be mindful whether it's clipped the right way or the wrong way, or whether the strap is twisted, because guess what? It is a swivel clip, so it will turn it. Hardware like this will be found on our website, www.pamdamour.com, and you can buy all your bag hardware. And now we have our adjustable strap on our bags. Let me model that for you. There we go. It's perfect. If I want it as a crossover, I can now make it longer. Thank you for joining me. I'm Pam Damour, the Decorating Diva, and happy sewing.